Hello everyone, I'm Farhad. Today we are back again taking another example or exercise of 10.1 based on circle. The statement is, or the question is, in the figure, this figure is given. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle, and the chord AB, and chord AC. Chord AB is equal to chord AC. That means this chord is equal to this chord. AB is equal to AC. We have to prove that angle BAO, this angle is equal to angle CAO, this angle. In the figure, this figure is given by the question. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. Chord AB is equal to the chord AC. We have to prove that this angle BAO, this one, is equal to this one, angle CAO. We have to prove this one. To prove this, we have to draw some extra lines in this circle. We have to join O, C, and we will have to join O, B. Let's join this 2 point O and C and B, O. I have joined this 2 point B, O and C, and I have also joined this 2 point O and B. Proof. What I have done first, add O, C, and O, B. Our first task is to join this 2 point O, C and O, B. Well, we'll try to prove this theorem. It's not tough one. The easiest theorem we are seeing so far. So after joining these 2 points O and C and O and B, we have found two triangles. One is this one, triangle AOC, and another triangle AOV. This one and this one. So in triangle AOC, this one AOC, and triangle ABO or AOC or AOB, this triangle and this triangle, we can say AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. How can we say this without any proof? Because this is given in the statement. AB is equal to AC. So we don't need further, we don't need any proof between AB and AC. This is given by the question, so we don't need to prove this. We can easily say that AB is equal to AC according to the question. So we have to write in the bracket, within the bracket, given, since this is given by the question. That's how we can say AB is equal to AC. So in this triangle AOC and ABO, we can say AB is equal to AC. Sorry, I have to write AC at first. AC is equal to AB. AC is equal to AB. Since I have write the triangle AOC at first and AOB at the second place, so I have to write the side AC first of triangle AOC, then AB. Well, AC is equal to AB. Then we can also write OC is equal to OB. OC is equal to OB. OC is equal to OB. Why? Since these are the radius of the same circle. We know that radius of a circle is constant. Radius of a certain circle is always constant. OC is the radius of the circle. OB is also the radius of the circle. So you can say OC is equal to OB. And again, there is one single side remaining, that is OA. OA. See, OA, the side OA is in the triangle ACO, and the side AO is also in the triangle AOB. So we can easily say AB, AO is equal to AO. AO is equal to AO. AO is equal to AO. Within bracket we can write common side. Common side. So according to the theorem SSS, which you have learned from your class 7 book, SSS theorem means side theorem. We can say this triangle AOC is congruent to the triangle AOB. So we can say triangle AOC is congruent to triangle AOB. SSS theorem. SS theorem. What is SSS theorem? Well, this is the short of the theorem I'm going to say. That is, if three sides of a triangle is equal to the three sides of another triangle, if three sides of a triangle, see, one triangle this one, another triangle this one, if three sides of this triangle is equal to the three sides of this triangle, we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other. So we have already proved that three sides of the triangle AOC is equal to the three sides of the triangle AOB. So you can easily say, according to the SSS theorem, triangle AOC is congruent to triangle AOB. Since these two triangles are congruent to each other, we can say every triangles are also equal. Every triangles, that means three triangles of this triangle is equal to the three angles of this triangle is equal to the three angles of this triangle. That means what means congruence is. Okay, congruence means three sides of this triangle is equal to the three sides of the triangle, and three angle is equal to the three angles of this triangle. So you can say this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. So we can say this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Because this triangle is congruent to this triangle. So you can say angle CAO is equal to angle BAO. We can write this because these two triangles are congruent to each other. So you can say that this angle is equal to this angle. This is our proof. Hope you have understood the theorem. It's the easiest one we have done so far. Now our next example is, well, I have to take this example from my mobile, so I have to stop the video right now, and I'll be back within a short moment. Till then, goodbye.